Right. Because I've never been down to the beach there.
I've only been up to the stunt. Yeah.
Right.
So I bailed.
Fortunately, we had another leader. So we generally do have we have enough. But nobody knows who's coming on what. But.
There's the heron over there.
Follow the green. See where it's green over there along the bank? And there's one.
Oh wow! In the water?
He's standing. He's standing on the log.
Great blue. Oh, he's standing on the log. I can't see him. Oh yes. Okay, just standing on the log there.
Since I moved, I
How
haven't
can
been
you tell it's a great blue heron?
hike with me.
The color.
I spent the night with my daughter last time. And there's different colors.
And he's right on the end on that log? Wow.
So then, right in front of us, we have a lot of brown pelicans.
Tangkol siya.